Okay, now we are going to create brows on our actual client. So from here, this is where our client's brows are pretty much gonna start. So we're gonna use our mapping guide. I'm gonna mark kind of where I want her brows to start and where I want them to finish. I'm gonna do the same thing on this, so I'm kind of just marking this line. Then I'm gonna mark it from here on where exactly it should be. I'm gonna do the same thing to the top. Then we want the arch and the tail, or the head and the tail, to be a little bit different. So there's gonna be the head, so I'm gonna make the tail a little bit higher. So this will be where her tail falls. Then the starting of her brow is going to be right there. I'm gonna do the arch probably around the end of the B or the end of the 5. I'm gonna bring it up using this as our measuring. I'm gonna bring her arch up to about right there. And the bottom of her arch we'll place about right here. So same technique pretty much as we created last time. We're gonna go in, kind of connect everything. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just kind of connecting my placement just to make sure everything is symmetrical. That placement was a little bit off. Then from here, I'll create the brows that I've created. I'll have my client sit up. I can tell that this is a little bit off. I'll even kind of round the brows out so they don't have that harsh line. And this is the brows that we created for her. So I would either take a little bit off or I would extend this one out a little bit more. I think this one we kind of extended a little bit more. So I want you to do a couple of these, creating different brow shapes for your clients. You can even kind of extend your arch out a little bit more, bring your arch a little bit in, just as long as it's about 2/3 from the head of your brow to your arch, and 1/3 from your arch to the tail of your brows. Your tail of your brow is never going lower than the head of your brow. That's going to just age your client. So imagine if we were bringing our client's brow down like this, how much more aged it looks and heavy it looks versus up and light. Go ahead and create your brows, submit them, and we will go over them with you.